There are basically three types of links when you're working with link building: natural in-content editorial links, manual outreach links, and lastly, self-created non-editorial links. Let's talk about natural in-content editorial links first. These types of links are gold for SEO. Basically, these types of links are which you don't ask for and are given editorially by a website owner. They give a link to your website in their content. For example, if someone is writing about best shoes to buy in 2018 and they link to your site for one of the shoe products that you're manufacturing. This link is thus natural since you haven't asked them to link to your website, and in content, meaning in the middle of an article. You need a good reason to give someone a chance to do so, mostly by bringing original and unique content on the table. Next is manual outreach links. These are the most common links you'll get while doing link building for your website, particularly if you're just starting out and your business is still quite small and not much known. This involves manually contacting website owners and bloggers and requesting them to link to you. Again, you need to give them a reason to link to you, and to be successful, you need to be contacting people who are relevant to your business. Lastly, self-created non-editorial links. These are the links you create yourself in places such as blog post comments, directories, forum signatures, and similar places. Search engines do not value them, and Google has even started penalizing websites because of spamming of such links. Now, I'm not saying don't post your link anywhere. Do post them, but where necessary. Do not spam your link. Don't go and start copy-pasting your website link in comments or YouTube or some blog posts or forums. People will hate, and if you do something that people hate, search engines will hate it automatically. Generally, you shouldn't focus on such links, and your entire focus should be on editorial links, but you can sprinkle in some of these links where it's necessary, and it doesn't feel like you're spamming.